From Cairo to the world, welcome to H.B. Fuller's newest state-of-the-art facility, strategically located in Cairo, a hub connecting us to customers across the globe, built for growth and innovation. 37,000 square meters.
H.B. Fuller invest $26 million USD in our new facility in Cairo 6 October Industrial Park. It is designed according to the world-class standard of safety, quality, hygiene, and food safety.
Our facility with 2 hot melt pressure sensitive lines and 1 non-pressure sensitive line is controlled through an advanced automated process control system with an production exceeding 40,000 tons annually, is strategically designed to accommodate the future expansions.
Commitment to uncompromising quality.
Our state-of-the-art quality lab with a dedicated team of technical experts conducts comprehensive testing, auditing services, and recommendations to meet high industrial standards and enhance customer satisfaction.
Our blend obtained top score in the FM Global, EDANA, and the food safety audit. And soon will be LEED Gold certified.
Efficiency in motion.
We can manage 11,000 pallets in our state-of-art shuttle system warehouse with FIFO principles, skylights, and high-end handling equipment.
H.B. Fuller's new plant symbolizes a new era of innovation, quality, and dedication. Together, we're shaping the future of adhesives and delivering solutions that meet global demands.
I'm extremely proud of our experienced team of 150 employees in Egypt, supporting customers worldwide in different industries such as personal care, end-of-line packaging, and beverage labeling.
We are connecting what matters.